Hello traders. Welcome to this week's Forex Profit of the Week update. We are going to discuss about Japanese yen and US dollar pair. Why the pair US dollar to Japanese yen is one of the interesting pair to watch for this week. This week, the market's attention will be on key economic events impacting the USD and JPY. On Tuesday, Fed Chair Powell's testimony will be closely watched for any hints on future monetary policy. His statements could significantly influence the USD, as investors seek clues about interest rate directions and economic outlook. Later in the day, Japan will release its Producer Price Index, PPI, which will provide insights into inflationary pressures within the Japanese economy. Wednesday will see another important speech from Fed Chair Powell, which will again be pivotal for the USD. Any shifts in tone or policy hints can create volatility in the markets. In Japan, the focus will be on machinery orders for May, both year-over-year and month-over-month. These figures are critical for assessing the health of Japan's manufacturing sector and broader economic activity. On Thursday, the US will release several key inflation metrics. The core inflation rate for June is expected to remain steady at 0.2% month-over-month and 3.4% year-over-year, while the overall inflation rate is forecasted to ease slightly to 3.1% from 3.3% year-over-year. Additionally, the initial jobless claims data will be released, with expectations of 240,000 claims, slightly higher than the previous 238,000. These data points will provide a comprehensive view of inflationary trends and labor market conditions in the US. Friday will round out the week with the US releasing its Producer Price Index, PPI, for June, expected to rise by 0.2% month-over-month, reversing the previous month's decline. The year-over-year PPI will also be closely monitored. Additionally, the preliminary Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index for July is expected to show a slight increase, indicating consumer confidence trends. These releases will be crucial for gauging inflationary pressures and consumer outlook, both of which are vital for economic forecasting and monetary policy decisions. Now, what the technical chart shown us. Let's go to the chart now. We have opened the daily chart of US dollar to Japanese yen and noticed that the pair has been struggling after reaching the all-time high on Wednesday, indicating a potential continuation of the downtrend. The price is currently moving lower, trying to reach the 20-period moving average, which is also the current support level. Meanwhile, the stochastic indicator is also moving lower from the overbought area, supporting the possibility that US dollar to Japanese yen may continue to move lower. We've identified key support levels at 159.67 and 158.30, while the resistance levels are at 161.95 and 163.28. If the price continues to decline and reaches the support level, it could drop further, creating a potential opportunity for traders to benefit from the downward trend, with a potential profit of 80 to 90 pips. However, if US dollar to Japanese yen is unable to break below the support level, there is a possibility that the price could move back higher, attempting to break the all-time high and reach the next resistance level. Remember to always be aware of your risk management before entering any positions. Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next video.